In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FXPrimus to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go to trading accounts here on the left-hand side, and you want to create an MT5 account. Now, I'm just going to create a demo account, but if you want to, you could use a real account as well. It's going to work just as good, and of course, just follow my steps. The process is similar. I'm going to click on Create a Demo, and then here I'm going to select MT5 as my platform, and then here you have to choose your account type. So of course, either a classic or a pro. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose the classic right now, and then here you can select your leverage as well as your currency, for which I'm gonna do USD, and then I'm gonna press create demo account. Whenever you do this here, it says your account was created, check inbox, and as you can see here, I now have my account under MT5 accounts, and what you then want to do is you want to go to your email you actually used to sign up for FXPrimus, and in there, you'll receive your credentials to actually use inside MT5. Now, from here, the next step is to get the MT5 platform. You could go to platforms here on the left and download it from this button here, or if you have MT5 on your computer already, you can just search for it like that. There we go. You can open it up, and there we go. This is how it's going to look like. You just want to click on File, top left, click on Open an Account, and then here where it says Enter Company Name, you want to just type in Primus Markets. So Primus, like this, markets, there we go. So make sure you basically type that in, click on find your company, and it's going to find Primus Markets over here. Click on Next, and then here click on connect with an existing trade account, and this is where you basically have to put in your MT5 ID, which is a long number, and it's available inside your email, and then the password as well, which is also inside your email, and then of course the server as well, which for me is the demo one. For you it may be different. Then click on finish, and whenever you do this here, as you can see, I'm now connected with my FXPrimus account to MT5. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.